Yep. Now let me explain the category flow. Okay. So what is category flow? When I click on any category page, what happens is nothing but what we do in the that flow. So here what I'm doing, so I'm just clicking on this link, okay, which is nothing but we are issuing a request. Right click Samsung, we are issuing a request over here down left. I cannot take that out because so localhost shop category Samsung HTML is what is called. Okay, that request will be issued to this particular URL as a get. Okay, click. I'm clicked. Okay, and now so as I'm running in debug mode and I have a breakpoint over here in display category no reference method, because the request mapping is matched to the one that is issued over here. This is nothing but shop category samsung.html. You might wonder why it is shop category friendly url.html instead of shop category slash samsung.html. Okay, so if we do that way, we have to have lot of methods. We have to create one method for Samsung HTML. We have to create one other method for what is Google, Redmi, different methods we have to create, or we have to create here maybe we can have list of mappings here. One is for Samsung, one is for Google, one is for no, some laptops, something different categories we have to give mappings. So here if it is defined in this way, friendly URL or whatever the key in open braces and close braces, whatever it is coming in, now it is Samsung HTML. So friendly URL will be Samsung HTML. So that the Spring will take care of that. And so the friendly URL value, if you see that friendly URL here, so this is what you have to see. Variables is the window. We have to see what variables are populated like that. So friendly URL is nothing but Samsung, because so it is a dynamic string that is converted as a friendly URL. So okay, and once that is coming in, so we hit this display category method and control open implementation. So this is the method that is called. I have put a breakpoint here and I say when you have a breakpoint, when you say F8, it will go and stop there, because that is the flow. And the request has all this merchant store, should have merchant store. If not, we'll see what happens. I don't know what is there. So request, this is the request object that is already constructed by Spring. I don't go in deep because we should not have more confusion, but just think that request is constructed by Spring and it is coming in here. What we passed, whatever maybe parameters, no, sorry, I should not go. This is coming from UI. Okay, the request object, and come over here. If you see this request has some request wrapper, I don't know what is this, but I don't care, that's fine. And request something like this, the object structure is constructed for request, so we can just ignore and say store. What happened here in the store? So there is an object, store object, that is coming in from request. Okay, so this store object will come and request dot get parameter sort by, this is coming, so parameter, so we are passing this as a sort by parameter in from the UI. So sort by maybe null. What is that? Because I don't see any parameters coming. Yeah, it is null, because if you want that sort by parameter, we should have passed here, right? Samsung HTML question mark sort by is equal to something like sort by price. Okay, if you do that, sort by is coming will come as a parameter in the request object. So Spring will put that as a parameter, and sort by description is not again we are not passing, so it will be null. So default, so that means it is a default behavior is we don't sort anything based on because we are not getting the parameters. And come over here, sort by description is nothing, setting set. And then what is happening, getting category. So this is a category service class, a service layer in other terms, which is used to get the category object based on the friendly URL and the store object. If you say control, right mouse over or right mouse over, open implementation will go to that method where it has implementation for get by SEURL. Come on. I can go there like open implementation and then put a breakpoint over there in get by SEURL method in category service, or I can just go and say F5. I hope you might went through those videos. I don't know how much percentage you got from those videos on Eclipse debugging. mm, what else I asked for? Yeah, Spring MVC and all. So here it is coming. It will come. So if I put a breakpoint here, F8, it will come over here. And what it is doing here again, it will go to DAO layer, data access. O is object. I don't know. Data access layer. We call that, and get by SE URL. These are the method. Come on, wait. Oh my god, it's gone out of memory. Let me start again. Yeah, let me issue that request again. Or is it running in debug? how we terminate. And again, I just want to run this guy. Why it is coming waiting for build? Okay, yeah. After restarting, I'm just running in debug mode one more time. Why this is update SVR cache. Again, my oh, looks like my Eclipse is stuck. Maybe I need to again. Okay, yeah, Aisha. So I was asking one question. So you start running in your debug mode and just hit. If you want to debug landing controller, that is fine. Otherwise, put a breakpoint in shopping category controller. Maybe display category no reference this guy, and see uh, how the flow is one by one, F5 F5 S6, right? So that's what Eclipse debugging and all. Just start. Let me know, like at least you're able to see those variables section, at least variables how they are created. If you see that, yeah, at least we can go from there. My Eclipse is going bad. Okay, Harmony, you join. Why it is late? Why did you have any issue? Sorry, 1 second, please. Come, Adima. Sorry. Yeah, go on, Nagini. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yeah, actually, I was saying my workspace is is behaving odd. Maybe I need to restart my machine one time. But I was asking Ayesha to run in debug mode and see like breakpoints and variables, how they are created and all in shopping category controller. Okay, and yeah, I'll come back. I'll be online one more, no, in some time. But we just start, Ayesha, and Rajesh also. You also start just checking like how the variables are created um, in category flow, or if any flow you want to see, you can see that. Uh, yeah, Nagmani, and will work on your local issue fix. And I cannot work on Eclipse right now, so I'm just closing. Okay, Aisha, did you get it? Wait, no, not working. Wait, no, no. Um, what? Okay. What is the error not working? Send me the screenshot, Aisha. Okay, Nagmani, by the time you just start your team viewer, okay, and share me your allow remote. You have to, if you're seeing my screen, you just need to select this case, start team viewer with Windows and all. Otherwise, it was not starting. Okay. Share me this your ID and the password. No, I cannot hear Ayesha. Come on, click, select. Come on. No, my machine is. It is working. What is it not working? It is running, Ayesha. It is running in debug mode. And, yeah, you just need to go local host shop, hit there. Did you know? Phone level. I don't have. hit the request. Okay, so if you're not getting the variables, okay, that is a variable window. Okay, when you're not getting any variables, right? So you not say debug is not working. First thing, when you're not seeing the variables, go here. Any window, if you're not seeing, go windows. Okay, go window, show view, show view other. So for problems you type problems. For variables, if you see here, it is fine because I opened it here. I am seeing that. If I don't see that, I go here other, type variables, you will get that, click on that, and you will get that variables window, I mean tab, like this, variables. Okay, so it will go here and click on that and it will come here. So yours is working. And when you hit localhost, even if variables are not there, just hit the localhost SMS shop. What, see what it is stopping in landing controller or not. First thing, do that in right now and let me know. Yeah, do it. Okay, do it. Yeah, send me the screenshot on when you hit that localhost session shop. It should stop on landing controller with the green line on it. And if you see that, you're good. And variables and any window, if you don't see that, go show view and type search. Okay, and the money. Yeah, we'll just halt. I have to restart and then okay, Rajesh. Yeah, so I'll just connect to uh, Nagmani to fix that issue. And Ayesha, also you just start seeing that, and meanwhile maybe you can, Ayesha, you can just go and watch videos on object oriented programming, Java basics, and all. And even Rajesh, if you have same such questions, you can also do that for now. And to work on your local database issue, I don't know, yeah, you can start working on that issue, or you can just learn some basics and see how is it. And if you are interested in debugging local and see the variables, that also you can do anything, whatever you like, but just keep learning. And so you will, at least one day you will be able to work independently. That is what my expectation. Okay. Okay, yeah, I should just see. That's what I'm saying. Maybe let me fix Nagmani and issue. So all three of you maybe will discuss and see like how ఎలా జరుగుతుంది ఇదంతా. సో ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ తన అండర్స్టాండింగ్ కొంచెం ఉంటే మీ అండర్స్టాండింగ్, సో అన్నీ కలిసి వెయిట్. వాట్ పీస్, వాట్ పీస్ అమ్మా. Okay, yep. Let me fix the name issue, and then if I have time before I sleep, we'll talk. Otherwise, just keep learning. Okay. Yep. Thank you. And let me know, Aisha. You should have done by now. What happened when you hit that? Just browser rewards. So everything is started, and just browser localhost shop. What happened? Did it stop or no? Hello. Louder. I don't know. One time it is so low. లౌడ్‌గా అంటే లౌడ్‌గానే ఏదో ఒక టైంలో మీది బాగా వినపడుద్ది. ఒకసారి అస్సలు వినపడదు. స్లోగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. అదే నేను చెప్పేది. లోకల్ హోస్ట్ ఎస్ఎం షాప్ కొట్టారా? అప్పుడు అది బ్రౌజ్ వచ్చిందా గ్రీన్ లైన్ ఆగిందా? ఓకే. సో అదే ఇందాక నుంచి అడుగుతున్నాను. యా ఏందండి? బ్రేక్ పాయింట్ పెట్టినా రాలేదా? బ్రేక్ పాయింట్ ఉన్నా కానీ రాలేదా అందులో? ఓకే. ఒక పని చేయండి యాక్చువల్‌గా. సో, రాజేష్, యూ గైస్ హ్యావ్ యూ నో టీమ్ వ్యూవర్‌లో యూ జస్ట్ షేర్ అండ్ సీ లైక్ వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అండ్ టేక్ Rajesh help one time. Okay? Yeah, it's okay. One time anyone can help. It's like teamwork we have to do. Okay? Yeah, you guys do it. Okay, Rajesh. Yeah. Just have a call or whatever. Just see how what's happening there. Okay, so if two guys are working, it'll get issue will get fixed. This is a strike issue, I guess. It should not. If everything is working, the simple thing may be missing. Okay, yeah, do it. Okay, bye.